everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here with my Macy's beauty box unboxing for the month of January. So we'll jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup, reviews, unboxings, try-ons. I would love for you to join my family. It would make such a big difference for me. So please click the subscribe button. Without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump right into the box. So January box, I actually was super surprised about because as soon as I opened it, I have a mini flat iron in this box from Macy's that is $15. I know sometimes it's hit or miss with this box. I do get it. I've only gotten it a couple of times so far, but a Sutra Beauty mini flat iron for travel. It says 100% solid ceramic plates, floating plates to customize style, safe for all hair types, dual voltage, lifetime limited warranty. It is in this beautiful lilac color right here. That's a good value. This in itself makes up the value of the box. So that's not even in the tissue paper. That's just kind of on the outside right there. So I'm kind of impressed with this box this month already. So there you go. I am super spoiled because I actually follow Malibu. If you don't follow her, She has YouTube videos. She's also on Facebook, but she does great hair reviews. And I got a Bio-Ionic flat iron based on some of her recommendations. So I will not use this. I will put this away to the side for when I do a giveaway. So when I hit 50, we'll do a big giveaway, and I'll include this as one of the gifts. So let's go ahead and jump into the rest of the Macy's Beauty box. And again, they do have a $5 off. It doesn't have a minimum amount. There are some excludes future beauty boxes kind of thing on here. And the full size of this mini is $80. So of course we got a mini, it's not $80. Let's jump into the rest of the products wrapped up in beautiful big pink. Wow, I'm having a hard time talking. Beautiful pink tissue paper. And the first thing I see here is created just for Macy's, a velvet hair scrunchie. It's a velvet hair scrunchie. I, again, typically don't use hair scrunchies like this, but it is a beautiful velvet. It is a very nice rosy pink color. We'll put it in the giveaway. We'll have hair care products for that giveaway too. There you go. Next product I see here is Roshua Classic Shampoo. Oh, this is a shampoo. Made with signature Roshua oil. It's from Amazon. It will help strengthen weak, damaged hair, maintain scalp health, and leave your tresses. I am challenged with talking today. Leave your tresses soft, silky, and luminous. $34 is the full-size value. Of course, you can only get it on Amazon, so there you go. Let's smell it. It says it has a woodsy aroma. Oh, it has a seal. Oh, it has a seal. For healthy, lustrous hair. Rainforest grown. That's what it says on the outside of here. Yeah, no, it doesn't really smell like a whole lot of anything. And that's actually the conditioner, same exact thing, shampoo, same exact product. We do have a seal on it as well. Let's see if the shampoo smells any. No, I don't really smell it. It says it's supposed to have a woodsy aroma. I don't think it has a strong aroma, but for a lot of people that's not bad. So conditioner and shampoo. Again, full size value of the shampoo $34, full size of the conditioner $36. They are considered separate products here. Next product that I have is the Verb Ghost Oil. And so this is a hair care product. I believe last month we got the Verb shampoo and conditioner, I think. So Verb Ghost Oil, this weightless wonder oil is infused with moringa oil and bamboo extract to smooth frizz, strengthen your hair, and help retain moisture. Full size value, $18. You're supposed to apply to damp hair before blowout or dry hair to smooth and shine. Because my hair is, of course, chemically treated. I do bleach my hair. I will absolutely try this because I do find that oils, particularly after I blow dry, will help some of the frizzy flyaways that I get. So I'll try this and let you guys know what I think about it. Let's give it a smell and see what it smells like, because I do... Oh, it's sealed too. I love the seals. I love the seals. It makes a girl happy. It just smells clean. It doesn't smell bad. It just smells clean. Okay, I'm excited about that. Next product that we have in here is the Dry Bar Southern Belle Volume Boosting Root Lifter. Another thing that I'm super excited to try because my hair just, yeah, you can see it doesn't hold a lot of volume. So that one thing I've been trying to look for is something that's not really bad for your hair, but will give it a little oomph so that I don't feel flat all the time. Basically, extend the life of your look with this. Oh, sorry, I'm reading the wrong thing. This ultra plumping spray. Oh, this ultra plumping spray foam targets roots for instant lift and volume. Spray into damp hair at the roots, gently massage, blow dry as usual. Cool. Okay. Then the next thing I have is the Chlorane, I always have a hard time saying that, dry shampoo. So extend the life of your look with this award-winning plant-based dry shampoo. I do like that it's plant-based. Full size value is $29, and I apologize, full size value of this is $26. I will spray this a little to see what it smells like because I am a stickler for what it smells like. Kind of bamboo-y, clean. That is a wicked aggressive spray on that though. Okay. And the last thing I have here is the Michael Kors new Gorgeous scent. It is a bold, florally woodsy fragrance. Full size value, $120. Let's see what this smells like. Yeah, it is definitely woodsy. It's not really sweet. They say florally, and I guess there is a hint of florally, but it's more woodsy than anything. So that's my Macy's January beauty box. I actually kind of liked it and was pretty impressed this month. I think there's some good products. I think definitely some good value in some of these products, so I really liked it. What do you guys think about Macy's Beauty Box? What'd you get? Do you like it? Has anybody tried the flat iron? Is it any good? Drop me a line and let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.